Speaker, I rise today in remembrance of the millions of innocent lives that lost in the 47 years since the tragic Supreme Court decision, Roe v. Wade. Since 1973, freely accessible abortion has fostered a culture of death in America, and the expansion of clinics like Planned Parenthood have normalized abortion and stolen the futures of over 50 million innocent lives. Here are some statistics from Planned Parenthood's own annual report. In 2019 alone, they aborted 345,670 innocent, defenseless lives. Think about that from a personal perspective. That is over 100,000 more persons than the population of Waco and McLennan County, Texas, the largest county in Texas District 17 that has 250+ thousand Texans. This genocide constitutes over 96% of their pregnancy resolution services, as they call them, whereas prenatal and adoption referral services accounted for less than 4% of pregnancy resolution services. While they may seek to mask their intentions under the banners of women's health, make no mistake, Planned Parenthood is an abortion factory dedicated to providing, protecting, and expanding access to abortion. Moreover, something else to think about is that at least 50% of those babies killed are girls. And recent reports indicate that over 50% are children of color. Think about the misogyny and the racism of those genocidal numbers. I strongly believe that life begins at conception, and as a father and as a Christian, I am deeply committed to protecting the sanctity of life. In the 116th Congress, I have sought to be a voice for those who cannot speak for themselves and have co-sponsored over 20 bills to protect life. I'm also proud to have joined 206 other pro-life members of Congress in signing a recent amicus brief to the Supreme Court. If successful, this so-called right to abortion as outlined in Roe v. Wade is considered unworkable by the courts, then it is time to overturn that tragic decision. Mr. Speaker, I close with this. Millions of Americans believe that life begins at conception and must be protected. I stand with those Americans to fight for the lives that may be snuffed out before they've even begun. We must continue to fight for those that have been denied the opportunity to grow, to flourish, and to make an impact on our world.